Hi everyone, good morning. Happy Sunday everyone. So, for today's video, I'm here today in the garden and para makalanghap naman ng hangin at maarawan. Ayan. Para meron tayong like a baby skill, we have vitamin K. So, shout out sa inyong lahat. So, wala lang guys. I'm just here, sitting here on the bench. Kasi, parang nafe-feel ko yung cold, yung lamig ng hangin. Kasi pag nasa loob ka kasi ng flat, parang feeling ko minsan is mainit. So, tsaka hindi ako madalas na naaarawan. So, I just want to get some sun. Kasi hanggang ano pa naman hanggang 10. So I think it's good yung sun para maano naman sa skin natin. So kumusta tayong lahat? Kumusta tayong lahat yan mga lalabs ko dyan. So ayan guys, actually ang lamig dito, mahangin, pero hindi dahil sa nasa araw ako, feeling ko nasa sun lang ako, nagsa-sunbathing ako, pero hindi. Nandito lang ako sa garden, pero which is maganda naman yung ng hangin. So, ayan guys, napapalibutan ako ng dito, ng building. So, I just want to show you guys. See? Ayan, yung mga building. So, kung saan ako nakatira is dun lang sa building na to, sa kabilang building. Ayan. Pero this building, this area. So, ayan guys, naboboring lang ako. So, I think I will sit here for a while may araw-araw pa, and then later on I will go and eat my breakfast. So usually guys, dito kasi is if you want to buy something for your breakfast, pwede rin. So just to enjoy your life at para makalabas ka na rin, syempre, kasi just enjoy your life dito. Kung hindi mo i-enjoy yung life mo dito, talo ka. So, for me, it's okay. Enjoy naman. Nakakausap ko naman yung family ko on the cam. Alam mo na ngayon, puro messenger, ganyan. So, wala lang, mema lang. So, for today's video, I just want to talk myself there on the cam kasi wala akong ibang kausap kundi yung camera. So, masanay na tayo guys as a vlogger, as a YouTuber na we keep on talking on the cam kahit na kung wala kang naiisip, ganyan, parang minsan naiisip mo na mag-vlog ka na lang or you're talking on the cam para may magawa kang content to your channel. So, ayan lang guys. So, kumusta naman tayong lahat? Happy Sunday sa lahat. So, yan lang, enjoy lang natin. Actually, minsan naboboring din ako, minsan hindi, ganyan. So, pagpatuloy lang natin ang ating everyday's life. So, Lolos Angels family, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo dyan guys, mga lalab ko dyan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa, pero lahat kayong dyan, Lolos Angels family, yan sila Alken, Lalab, si John Rick, yan, si Sikoy, hello, and Lulay of all aces, Hong Kong amazing. Yan, lahat ng aking mga lalabs dyan, na mga nandyan na sumusupport sa aking channel. Thank you so much guys. So, ayan, kumusta ang ating Sunday today? Actually, ako naman, nagpapaaraw lang ako dito kasi kulang ako sa araw. So, ayan guys, ganyan lang yung style. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung what's the look here, okay? So, ayan, it's around what time now? Hindi makita. It's 9. Ayan. Ito yung labas ng garden. So, ayan, ganyan lang yan dito guys. Ayan lang. Ayan, ganyan lang. Ayan, there's a guava over there. Maliit pa siya. Yung santan. Ayan. So, ganyan lang guys. So, nagpapaaraw lang ako konti dito. Then, after that, yun na nga, kakain na ako. So, ayan guys, kumusta tayong lahat, mga lalabs ko dyan. So, what's inside my bag? Actually, walang laman yung bag ko. What's inside my bag? Okay, I'll show you guys what's inside my bag. Ayan, tarha, mask, and my, you know, what's that? Some card are here. And the wallet, and the, ano yan, tali ng hair, and the key, of course, and my mirror, and the pen. So what's inside my bag? And bandage. Wala na guys. At yung tatak nito, nandito pa yung tatak nito guys. So yan lang ang laman nito. Tsaka some calling cards. Ayan lang ang laman nito. Ayan guys, walang laman masyado yung bag ko. Only this one. So yan lang yung laman niya. So that's inside my bag. And some cards here. I don't want to show you guys what's inside. Pero mga cards yan. So yan na yung laman ng ano ko. Eto kasi I'm always bringing this one because actually this from Saudi Arabia, from Mecca. And I always, kapag ginagamit ko siya guys, pag ginagamit ko siya, feeling ko nawawala yung lamig ko dito sa sa aking neck. And this one my friend gave to me. So I always use it kasi galing to ng Mecca. So I always bring this one. So shout out sa'yo as far siya ang nagbigay dito when I was there in Saudi. Binigay niya to. Shout out sa inyo. Shout out sa'yo as far. Thank you so much for the gift. Ayan. Tapos yan lang yung wallet ko, which is walang laman. Ang laman nito is just card. Yan. Wala namang laman. Konti lang ang laman nito. So, card ng ano dito, yung ID card. So, yan lang guys ang laman niyan. What's inside my bag? Bigla tuloy what's inside my bag. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, ang aking OOTD for today. Actually, hindi ako masyadong ayan, ang aking bag. Maliit lang siya. So, ayan guys. Dito lang ako muna for until 10. Kasi yung araw nga is maganda sa balat. And it's really good. Kasi may vitamin K. Ayan, may vitamin K. So, dapat nga mag-gym ako pero natatamad na ako mag-gym guys. So, ayan. Actually kasi guys, alam mo, pag minsan nagtataka ako, ba't kaya pag minsan hindi naman ako boring, minsan nakakausap ko yung sarili ko. Not because I'm crazy, pero I'm just talking myself here on the cam. Because if you are a vlogger, you are a content creator, you need to think what are the video na i-upload natin. So I think sometimes we need to talk ourselves para minsan naman meron tayong videos na naka-create na about ourselves, about what you doing today, something like that. So yun lang guys. So kasi marami na akong videos na na-upload pero it's just about myself and it's just about my vlog, and some of it are iba-iba, it's mixed together, it's random vlogs. Nabubulol ako. It's a random vlog. So ayan lang guys. So I think I need to just get my content for today to talk myself there on the cam kasi nga wala lang, feel ko lang. So, ano pa ba? So, yun lang guys. Sa mga friends ko dyan, Los Angeles family, thank you so much. At saka sa mga iba-iba pang mga kaibigan kong mga inside YouTube, thank you so much guys for watching me. And it's my journey today again to do my vlogs. Ayan, it's my day journey today and it's MyDay. Thank you so much guys for watching. And sa hindi pa subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel para maging connect tayo sa isa't isa. Ayan, alam nyo na, as a YouTuber, you need to have some more friends everywhere. Yeah, like me, I'm very friendly person. So, ayan, nag-promote na ako. Ayan, thank you so much guys for watching. And it's me, MyDay journey. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and my FB page, guys, is MyDay. Please follow my FB page. Thank you so much guys for watching. It's me, MyDay journey. I love you all.